Are you struggling to find the right place to send over an access request so you can have another user manage or run your Facebook ads campaigns? Well, you clicked on the right video. My name is Gerald with Buddylytics, and in the next minute or two, I'll show you how to send over that access request so you can start getting those campaigns up and running. With that being said, let's get right into it. Okay, so we want to make sure we're headed to the right page, which is going to be business.facebook.com. And this should land you on your primary account. So for some reason, if the right one isn't selected, just on the top left, you can drop that down and check out all the profiles you have access to. But if you do have the right page selected, you want to go over to settings, which is going to be on the bottom left. Great. And you want to open up this drop down under users and then head over to people if it's not automatically open for you when you head over here. But on the top right, we're going to see invite people. So we'll click on that. You'll add the user's email. And then they do have additional settings here, which is nice. You can add temporary access if like someone's doing an audit or you just need them to check something out. So when you get over to this screen, it's going to show you partial access, which is just going to be basic access. Now, it depends how much control, they need over the account. If they're like running campaigns or doing different things, you might want to give them full control. Just depends on the scenario. But you can click that, and that's going to give them access to everything besides financial data. So for some reason, if they're like updating credit cards, putting their own, something else related to the finance piece, they have the view and manage that you can add. But for this scenario, we're just going to leave it as basic access. Now, it's going to give you a couple different options to connect to. For the purpose of this, we're going to go directly to add accounts. You want to select the correct account, and then they have a couple different options. So these are all the partial access options, just to manage your ads campaigns, view performance, manage Creative Hub markups, and then they have full control of manage everything within the ad accounts. So it's important to note, if you click the first piece, that's going to force the view performance and also the creative mockups to be selected. But you can select these individually. If you just want to view performance, maybe it's an audit, you just need someone to review the account, see what's going on, or you just want someone to manage the creative piece of it, you can select those individually. And for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to select the manage the campaigns with partial access. And that's pretty much it. So now we're on the final screen. You'll just want to send over that invite. Just a heads up, it usually expires within 30 days, so you want to make sure the user is aware. And for some reason, if the user does not have a private Facebook account, typically what I ended up doing with employees or other people I was working with, I just told them to use a random email, use a work email, make a Facebook account real quick. I could just send an ads invite there, and then boom, at least you have something so they have access to manage and run your campaigns. Hopefully this tutorial has been helpful. So if you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe for more tips. And thank you for watching. Take care.